Hey guys, it's Bruce over here with a nice cool update on this HBX 2997 112 scale RC. As you can see, I put the bigger tires on there, gave this guy a much wider stance with some extensions, and after I increased this battery and put in a 50C battery and a larger ECS, yeah, this thing was popping wheelies like I'd never seen before, so I decided to go get a wheelie bar. Now they don't make one for this rig, so I found one off at Q903. Well, it's really close, but it wasn't quite long enough to really catch all those axles, right? So what we did here, I'm going to show you how I handled this, maybe give you a clue too, because I think it worked out okay. So as you can see, the wheelie bar is right here. I wasn't able to hook it up to the actual A-arm pins like it was supposed to. It wasn't long enough. So what I did is I just connected it to these two screws here and used this little right angle bookshelf hanger here and kind of used it as a protector. And that really worked out really good. You can see here, it's scraped the bottom a few times. And I also did this to the front. Because what happens here on these front, this is all plastic that holds these pins in for the A-arms. Well, if you damage this by taking some hit, yeah, it's going to ruin the integrity of that pin. So I took this little shelf thing here. You can see it fits almost perfect. Drilled 4 holes to get them in, and put a little bit of a back angle here so it doesn't catch on anything. But now, yeah, I've curved it a couple times. It takes its beating right there and saves the plastic. At least that's what it is in theory. So there's the back one with the wheelie bar and the front one. Yeah, maybe HBX will make a metal bumper for this, like WL Toys. Yeah, because it really helps when you're hitting the wall at 40. All right, that's an update on how to get a wheelie bar on the 2997 Alpha. Take care. Bruce.